Hey guys, GoodLickGear here today, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the mods for Project Eden Server 1. The very first thing you're going to need to do is join our Discord channel, which is going to be linked in the description down below if you don't already belong to Project Eden Discord. After you joined that, there'll be a few different channels, well not channels, I can't even think of the right word for it right now, but basically down here it'll say 7 Days to Die, server number 1. You're going to open this up. You're going to click on server info, and inside server info there's going to be a nice little link to a Google Drive. This is basically how I'm currently storing the files and letting them get downloaded. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is click on this link, and it will open up a nice little window that looks just like this. And up in the top right hand corner there's going to be a little button that says download. We're going to click on this button. It's going to give you a little warning because it says that Google Drive can't scan files for viruses. In this case you can just ignore this. You can click right here where it says download anyway. It will start the download. And in this case I've actually already downloaded all of these files, but we're going to downloads. Well, we won't because I didn't click on it. So in this case I already have it downloaded. In fact, this one's going to be done shortly too. So we'll basically, after this is downloaded, you'll get this file called PE server number 1, PE server 1 mods. Once you get that, you'll basically just double click that to open it up. If you don't really have something like WinRAR or something installed to actually extract those files, then that's something else you will also need to install, but most people already have that installed. And you'll see there's 4 files here. We'll need all these to basically, we're going to take these and stick them inside the 7 Days to Die folder. Now, to get to 7 Days to Die, you're going to need to go to Steam, you'll go to your library, and go into Home, and where it says 7 Days to Die in this nice little list down here, which as you can see that's the last thing I played, you're going to right click on this, you're going to hit Properties, and there'll be a little tab here called Local Files. We're going to click on that, and then right inside this little tab, inside this little window now, you'll see all these different options. The one we're going to want to click on is Browse. And this will take us straight to the 7 Days to Die files. So, as you can see in this case I only have a mods folder here, but if this is your first time ever installing mods, what you're going to need to do first is basically create a new folder by right clicking, and then going down to new. It'll open this up, you're going to click folder, and then you'll want to name it mods. And this is basically where any and all of your 7 Days to Die mods will go. So now that we have that, we'll just open this up, and as you can see I only have quite a few different mods installed the way it is, but we're going to just take these files from this zip file. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, and we're just going to basically, I'm just going to hold Control down, the Control button, and I'm going to click on all these files, and I'm just going to, now that they're all highlighted, I'm going to take them and drag them directly over here so they can get extracted into this folder. In this case I've already done it, so I don't need these files anymore, so I'm just going to click skip. If that was to pop up for you, I'd probably hit replace instead just to be safe, to make sure you have the proper versions of these files. And then once that's done, that's all you need to do to join 7 Days to Die, to join Project Eden server. So after that, you can basically go into Steam, launch your game, and you should be able to get into the server. If you have any other issues, feel free to come into our Discord. There's a nice little channel that's called Ask for Help. The way this channel is actually set up is you can basically ask a question, and the only people who can see the question are admins, and then we can take it and put it to, and we can work with you in any way that you might need help and kind of help you through the process. But apart from that, that should be all it takes. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.